Hola, my friends! Are you sick of looking at the 4 grey office walls in your small grey office in your small grey town? And have you been thinking about swapping your grey life for a sunny Spanish one, but you haven't found the right way to do it? Well, imagine replying to emails while sipping sangria on your balcony in Valencia or Malaga. Then I've got just the visa for you, because in this video I'm giving you the updated guide to Spain's digital nomad remote working visa for 2025, what it is, how to apply, what it costs, and whether you should be ordering the fish or the pizza for that long Spanish lunch. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's make your dream a reality. Spain's digital nomad visa is designed for non-EU citizens who work remotely, either as freelancers or for non-Spanish companies. You can live in Spain, work for your foreign clients or company, and enjoy up to 5 years of video calls with a real swimming pool in the background and a genuine smile on your face. It's ideal for Americans, Australians, Canadians, and Brexit-battered Brits. Anyone outside the EU who wants to base themselves in Spain without needing a local job. In 2025, the visa includes relatively fast processing times. The system seems to be running quite smoothly now. Slightly increased income threshold. You now need to prove a monthly income of at least €2,760 for individuals, €3,797 for couples, an extra €1,035 per month for additional adult dependents, or €346 each for minor dependents. The flexibility to work for some Spanish clients too, up to 20% of your total income. Easy transition to permanent residency after 5 years. And you can apply from inside or outside of Spain. So there are indeed 2 main routes. Number 1, apply from your home country via your nearest Spanish consulate. Or number 2, apply from within Spain on a tourist visa. This gives you a 3-year permit instead of 1, and there's no visa fee. You will need proof of income and work contract or freelance contracts, including employment contracts, bank statements, payslips, and evidence of ongoing business activities. A criminal record check. Private health insurance with no deductibles or co-payments, unless of course you apply as a freelancer, in which case you'll be paying Social Security in Spain and be eligible for free state healthcare. A valid passport and an NIE number if you're applying from inside of Spain. Proof that your employer or company has been active for at least 1 year. Proof of qualifications, for example, university degree, professional certificate, or evidence of at least 3 years of experience. And proof of familial relationships. And here's a pro tip. You must get all non-Spanish documents translated and apostilled. So what are the costs and taxes? Well, you can expect to pay approximately €80 to €150 in visa fees. This varies depending on the consulate. Between €200 and €500 in legal translation and apostille costs. €500 per year in private health insurance if needed, although this can vary a lot with different insurance companies and your circumstances. €500 to €1,000 in professional help. This is optional, but I would recommend it. What about tax perks? Well, for the first 5 years you can apply for the Beckham law, which is a flat rate tax of 24%, up to €600,000 in income, instead of the progressive rates. It's not perfect for everyone, but if you're a high earner, it's well worth looking into. And now for some pros and cons. Here are the pros. It's legal to stay and work in Spain. You can bring your close family and they're allowed to work too. There's good access to public transport and services, especially in or around the cities. It's a great lifestyle, and the cost of living can be quite low too if you choose the right location. There's fast cable broadband in most places, even a lot of the towns in the mountains have it. OK, and now for the cons. The bureaucracy can be a little bit stifling. Not all consulates process your application quickly, and appointments for residency when you've arrived in Spain are sometimes a little bit difficult to get, depending on which region you're in. Your paperwork needs to be near perfect, so it is advisable to pay for a specialist to help with your application. Here are my top 3 picks for location. Number 1, Valencia. It's very affordable there, it's quite walkable too, and there's a great digital nomad scene apparently. Number 2, Malaga, my favourite and my local city. Sun, sea, great international airport, it's an emerging tech hub and it's very lively and cosmopolitan. Number 3, Granada. Well, culture, cheap rents, and you get tapas with every drink. It's also worth having a look at Madrid for the buzz. There's always something going on, although it is a little bit more expensive than the rest of the country. Seville for the beauty and the history, and Las Palmas for the beaches and the broadband. Here are some tips to speed up the process. Hire a visa specialist or immigration lawyer that's familiar with the visa, because they will know the ropes. Book your consulate appointment early. Double check your paperwork, translations, apostilles, notarizations, and put them in the right order, because the officials love it. Watch YouTooSpain's videos for expert help. We have more than one Q&A video with the specialist in the digital nomad visa. She's got all the answers. And join our Facebook group for real-time advice. So, is Spain's digital nomad visa your golden ticket to the Iberian dream? Could be. And especially now the golden visa is no longer available. Let me know in the comments where you're watching from and also what questions you've got. I've helped thousands of people with advice on moving to Spain and by introducing them to recommended experts and specialists. If you need one-to-one help or a relocation partner, check out the links in the video description below or send me a message. Hasta luego, amigos. Peas and fluff. And I'll see you probably in a restaurant by the beach. Oh look, there's the waiter. Mine's a vino tinto. Get 'em in.